Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make 1 inch margins in Photoshop. Okay, first of all, press Ctrl R on your keyboard, then show these margins. You can simply edit custom margins. Okay, customs margins for 1 inch. Okay, and edit custom automatically. Go to view, click, then see this new guide horizontal or vertical. Type horizontal and select 1 inch margin 17.6 px. 17.6 px equal to 1 inch. Then click OK and see this again. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.